My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija season 9 no lose guard season don finally come to an end few hours ago, and the winner wey be say be Kelly Ray, the thing don spark mixed reactions online, and also Wanni fans they don come out to come accuse Big Brother of being partial towards their fave. And lastly, Onyeka don reconcile her fight with Chinwe and also Kassia. So as we all know, the Big Brother Naija season 9 no lose guard season, the thing end few hours ago, and the top finalists wey be say be Surge, Wanni, Anita, Nelly, Onyeka and Kelly Ray and Victoria, they finally evict all of them one after the other. They first remove Surge, after Surge they could remove Anita, after Anita they remove Nelly, after Nelly Victoria, after Victoria Onyeka. So now Wanni and Kelly Ray now off light with Ebuka and come follow Ebuka come for stage. Kelly Ray come emerge the winner. A big congratulations to Kelly Ray fans. Wetin be that their name again? K Squad. And also I wan give shout out to Onyeka fans, because I no believe say Onyeka fans go fit show surprise all of us like this. They push the girl from bottom 3 to top 3. That one never happened before. So big congratulations. Now una too be the real odogu of this season. So Wanni fans they come out to come air their displeasure about the win wey be say Kelly Ray wey, according to them, they say Kelly Ray brought nothing to the show. Say na Wanni wey be say bring her all, na suppose win the show. According to them, they say now Kelly Ray na carry second, Wanni na carry first. Say but because Wanni don't win car, Big Brother can't change your mind to give Kelly Ray the money. They are, from the way that they talk, you know say those people their head not really dey in one place. The more listen to wetin they talk for herself.
She won. Wanni won. She win, but dem no go give her the money because of the car. Because of the car wey she won. If to say you understand Yoruba, I for send one voice note for you to listen to it. But they don't go give her. They come dey contemplate say make them collect the car from Wanni, make them give Kelly Ray, because na Kelly Ray be second. But the margin no too plenty. That as at last night, then they contemplate make them give. Some people say make them give Wanni the money. Some people say make them collect the car from Wanni, make them give Kelly Ray. Some people say make them give Kelly Ray because the car, then they give them the car. So you understand? So that yesterday they conclude this morning. So they will give Kelly Ray. So they will give Wanni.
So now that you're waiting, they talk now. See this life where we say with this, so they good when people win. Try to celebrate people with their win. Whether you they happy, you know they happy. Try make you celebrate people when we say they win, because as they celebrate people, now so God go they celebrate you too. Kelly Ray win because even though say he marry, he no misbehave for inside the house. From waiting happen with Fina, a lot of people don't see him. A lot of people don't tire. They say they don't want rasness this year. When I mentioned to say make they suppose pick handy over one, so people won't choke me for you. Good morals should be celebrated, no be nonsense and immorality now we go dey see. Congratulations to the humble man and his beautiful wife. So as Wanni fans they drag Kelly Ray, they insult her and they call her all manner of names, double K fans they come out to come dey table the matter. Not just double K fans, other fans from other fan base come out to come celebrate the guy. Now only Wanni fans now they unhappy about this particular win. So make una listen to wetin other fan base talk about the win wey be say Kelly Ray win.
With Mickey. They should go and fight with Mickey fans.
So
They should fight with Mickey fans.
I know they call them Sean fans. They are borrowed FC. Everybody don't go back to base. The little one will remain. If then they look for rival, you know Mickey now. Now Mickey.
Even that,
They should go and do right.
even that Sean said he's looking malnourished.
They don't let them
That
drag
Sean is
Victoria.
looking so
If I'm not drag the abuser boy, they don't even bump them way. I have time for them.
I will bring material. I have
They're now shouting, what is Kelly Ray bring to the show? Made them they think
that is content. Every season,
Don't
una
they
place
come
don't
for
go
our mouth.
gather everybody content. Don't watch the show.
They don't overwatch the show now. See, they are useless. I tell you, say this people are three.
Now some married people they shame me pass.
They shame me.
They shame me.
Married people get self.
God forbid.
Useless rats. They reach out.
Lino, check your DM.
Now they finger. To not be well with all of you and your supporters. Come here for.
I didn't understand it. But for some reason,
For saying Kassia, you see this last week, Pepe.
Wanni
Kassia
for
get
win,
Pepe body.
Kassia.
Wanni
I
for
won't lie.
winner.
Wanni for win.
If a winner, because all of them go be girls, safe.
Yeah.
If a girl.
Yes.
Wanni they do cho.
If a winner.
If a winner,
They did the best. As in,
they are not
they were
saying
very smart.
Chinwe is boring. Make her they look get where they
They were
finger. Then
very,
they finger
very
then they finger
smart.
person for sure every day. Say make that they look up.
They were very smart. I said,
Because they use hands, scratch, to use that same hand they cook. Make her they stand dirty girl. God does not like ugly, please. Don't use final week voting.
You want to use plan to drag us. Not knowing
that they will be shamed.
They're gonna cry.
Go and look all of them. Shippers. I tell them, so you better go and hold your boy. You need to start licking Wanni Puna. Because you don't get star power.
All of
you
a
need
sudden,
it right now.
All of them go join Wanni this thing. Wanni will
That thing shocked me. Oh. I won't lie. It shocked me.
Even some of my mutuals, I go come they see them Wanni will win. I say when did all this one?
They go they say
I go message some of them.
I say when did they turn shippers?
As in what's happening?
they will
be telling you what
once
you
you
bring it to this. I say
No, they will say
about
someone will tell me Sean told them to support me because of Sean or something. I'll be like, are
they
you
want
for
Shex
real?
and Bella ship. That idiot. They are comparing her to Bella. I say to not be well with all of you. Comparing this girl with Bella.
God,
It will not be well with all of you. Why are you comparing her to? Are they the same people?
Hey,
Even Sean no lose.
Past housemates also come out to come celebrate Kellyra. Talk about the likes of Ileba wey be say the previous winner and Fina come out to come clap for the boy, say it was well deserved. Chi to come out to come congratulate the guy. The truth is everybody is happy, even people wey be say no be double K fans. Everybody is happy say the boy win the thing. At least we go hear word this year, we go get peace. Big congratulations to all the finalists, because for you to reach final you're also a winner. So not the reason why anybody go dey feel left out, all of that. So onto Onyeka matter with Kassia and Chinwe. Una know to say Onyeka with Kassia and Chinwe, they are actually not friends. They get some hidden beef among themselves and all of that. So after the win, after the whole thing, Onyeka and congratulate Kassia and Kellyra, which is a very good move. I like that. And also she and Chinwe, they hug out their differences. I just hope they will continue like that, because once all of them come out of the house and their fans, their toxic fans, start to talk for each other ear, they push them, they go start to react like that. I just hope say everything will work out way for them for their push. But from today, where we say be maybe 7th of October, we know to say their media rounds go start today. So by the time we see their media rounds start, we go know wetin dey sup, how all of them see each other, how we go know how they go take answer their questions. Are they very optimistic say their post show go sweet well and a lot of gbas go come out of it? Anyways, una take care, una bye.